right, guys and gals, this just arrived in the mail. All the way here down under in Australia, mate. I pre-cut it, so it's easy to open. Yes, I know this is the bottom of the box, but it's the way that it was packed. Ooh, look at that. Ho, ho, ho. Yes, get that out of the way. Sling Pilot Academy. I went there, you know. Yeah, okay, I was only there a couple hours, but I did graduate. I flew a Sling high wing and I didn't crash it. We landed safely. Did a great introductory flight with Garrett, my personal flight instructor. Look at this. When I saw this available, I had to get one because I'm about all things Sling right now. We will start building our high wing in January 19th. So I'll be doing update videos on that. But look at this. Ooh, a pocket for a torch, as they say in here in Australia, a torch, mate, or maybe a small water bottle, or maybe a small water bottle here. Look at the heavy duty handles. And then let me pause and open up the zippers. So we have safety, efficiency, and community. That's pretty much sums up the world of Sling, wouldn't you say? They say unbox an airplane and you unbox a family. That's actually something you can hang. You could hang like a towel to dry, or maybe strap on your hats to that. There's a pocket here. Let's come around the other side. A similar pocket in the front. And then we got the first smaller pocket for stuff. I like zippers because you can put stuff away, zip it up, and you don't lose them. There's your car key clip. Other things you can add here. And then here's the main compartment. Look, it's nicely padded in the bottom. Big enough for your headsets. And you got pens you can clip on there and through the loops. Another pocket here. Lots of pockets to store stuff. And for me, I was going to say, I thought there was a shoulder strap. Ooh, look at that. Nice. Oh, look at this. It's even embroidered on the strap itself. Sling Pilot Academy. And just a quick note, look at this. The handles actually Velcro together. So, yes, very nice. Highly expandable, or stick it in the back and it goes away. Like it. And then here's another pocket. Very nice. I'm quite impressed. So, should we talk to Sling about getting a Sling TSI logo instead of Pilot Academy, and also or a Sling high wing embroidery, or maybe a Sling 2? What do you reckon, mate? Should we do it? These are looking good. I can't wait to use it. Put my headsets in there. Fair income. Good on you. Good on you, cobber.